Would you like to know how to prevent wrinkles on your face naturally? My name is Fumiko, and I'm the founder of the Face Yoga Method. In this video, I want to talk about how you can prevent wrinkles on your face naturally. And to be very fair and honest, I'm not talking about having 10-year-old wrinkle-free skin, but I'm talking about healthy skin for the age with healthy glow without unwanted expression wrinkles. Because as we all know, we cannot avoid wrinkles completely, but we can have healthy glow at any age and prevent or even decrease unwanted expression wrinkles. So our face is one of the parts of our body that we cannot completely cover like we can cover the rest of our body. So that means it is always exposed to the possible environmental damage or condition, including free radicals, sun exposure, air pollution, and even blue light comes from our phones and computer screens. And I'm now 54 years old, and I finally feel so comfortable and confident in my own skin. And in fact, I haven't even washed my face yet because when I was younger, I had really bad acne skin and I really did not like my skin at all. I was always hiding my skin. So at this age of 54, I can even say that my skin condition is better than ever. So with that, when your skin is healthy and have healthy glow, wrinkles do not stand out as much. Does it make sense? And here are the tips for healthy skin with glow and prevent wrinkles on our face. Tip number 1. Healthy skin with glow. Start with clean face. I know it sounds so simple, but wash your face well. This is so basic. And I can even say that this is the most important and the foundation of the healthy looking skin. If you don't wash your face, or if your face is not clean, even you wash your face, if you don't wash your face properly, you are wasting whatever the product you're putting after washing your face. So here is how to wash your face properly, Face Yoga Method way. Start from small parts, usually nose right here or chin or space between the nose and upper lip. And then move to larger parts such as cheeks and the forehead. I think many people start washing their face from the cheek, but change that. Start from small parts. And do not forget to wash your lips too, which will give you nice glow. And always use very gentle circular motion. You don't want to pull down your face like this when you wash your face. Gravity is already pulling everything down even at this moment. So we want to avoid that downward movement as much as possible. And then I recommend using cleanser, very gentle cleanser, and using your own fingers like skin to skin contact, because when you wash your face with your fingers, you understand your skin condition. Where do you feel clogged pores? Where do you feel the dryness? Where do you feel like your skin needs a little bit more attention? With fingers, it is possible. And do wash your face this way for 60 seconds, okay? Start from the small parts, move to the larger part, and spend 60 seconds. And when you wash your face, do the big O pose, because that can help you reach to the small parts and indented parts of the face, like here or even small parts right here. So let's do a big O pose together. This improves circulation That means more oxygen and nutrients to the skin. That means more glow on your face. So let's do a big go. Relax your face, breathe in and out from your nose, and drop your chin slightly as if you're yawning. Don't wrinkle your forehead. Very slowly move your gaze to the ceiling. That's it. And then wash your face. Small area first. And space between nose, mouth, chin, lip, and then larger part. Don't forget the eye area. Very gentle upward circular motion. Then rinse well with lower than body temperature water. I know it feels so good when you take a hot shower, but avoid hot shower on your face because that dries your skin. And ideally, do the 100 times face splash. So what is a 100 times face splash? It is one of the signature skincare practices for face yoga method practitioners. So simply splash your face or dip your face to the water 100 times. You can start maybe 20 times, but ideally up to 100 times. And when you finish washing your face, do not rub your skin with towel when you dry your face. This is a no. Gently pat dry. And I know some people do not wash their face at night because they do not take a shower at night. But this is a big no. You want to wash your face before go to bed because while you are sleeping, your skin is also resting and shedding and rejuvenating. And with makeup, sunscreen, or even you do not wear makeup, your skin's natural oil during the day you produced can get oxidized. And you want to clean your face so that your skin can breathe and give your skin a nice good rest at night. And wintertime, if you are living in Northern Hemisphere like myself, some people do not want to wash face because they don't feel the need of it because it's cold and I'm not sweating. But that's not true. Your skin is already producing natural oil throughout the day. And then that can get oxidized, like I said earlier. And even the cream moisturizer you use in the morning can get oxidized during the day. And you want to get rid of these so that your skin can be very clean when you go to bed. Tip number 2, moisturize your skin right away after washing your face. When you wash your face, you notice that your skin is so soft and supple. You like the feeling. So do not miss this opportunity to seal the moisture in by applying toner, moisturizer, serum, oil, or whatever you want to use right away. Don't wait, okay? Because if you wait too long, your skin starts getting dry and that will make the skin harder to absorb the moisturizer, serum, cream, or oil when you put them later. And it causes fine lines and the wrinkles. So moisturize right away. And how we apply moisturizer is also important. The order of applying items. This is how you want to do it. Start from the thin to the thicker. So for me, I use toner first. So that's the thinnest. And then I start applying things like a plasma, oxygen plasma, that's very liquid, and then cream. And then sometimes I add something thicker to cover my face so that skin can absorb those items efficiently. Tip number 3, reapply when needed. Do not just expect that your moisturizer or serum or oil can keep your skin hydrated all day long. Especially winter time when your face is exposed to cold outside weather, which is very dry. And then in the house, it's a heated room and also very dry. Your skin moisture level drops, which can lead fine lines and wrinkles. Throughout the day, when you think your skin is thirsty or dry, reapply moisturizer. especially the area you feel your skin is dry, such as the eye area. In fact, I carry my DIY lip balm and reapply around the area of dry skin, such as eye area, throughout the day. And when you reapply moisturizer, think about it. We do reapply hand cream on a hand or lip balm on our lips. Why not reapply things on our face? Tip number 4, drink plenty of water, especially hot water, ideally throughout the day. During winter, we often do not feel thirsty compared to summertime, but we are still sweating and you need to hydrate your body. Good hydration means plump skin with less wrinkles. And when you see vertical lines on your lips, that is an indicator that your body is a little bit dehydrated. So keep hydration in your body to prevent wrinkles on your skin. Tip number 5, do the tapping. This increases blood circulation. That means more oxygen flow, move lymphatic fluid, means more nutrients to the skin. It also promotes relaxing mentally. You get a good glow and you relax yourself. So let's do the tapping together. You ready? Use a meaty part of fingers and breathe in and out from the nose and just tap. Let's start from the forehead and tap, 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 tap. You can tap your eyebrows. When you tap your eye area, be gentle, especially around the eyes right here. You can use your ring fingers because ring fingers are the softest to the touch. And tap your cheeks, nasolabial area, chin, jawline, even your lips, inside of your neck, center of the collarbone to the side. What do you think? Do you feel more relaxed? I hope you understand how you can actually prevent wrinkles on your face naturally and keep your skin healthy with glow with face yoga. Remember, face yoga is not just moving the face muscles. It is a lifestyle. So if you follow healthy lifestyle and together with the face yoga exercises, you will see difference on your skin and you feel different emotionally. And more glow and less stress and less wrinkles at any age. Are you curious about the face yoga method but just do not know how to start or where to start? I have combined some of my top face yoga exercises in an exclusive face yoga video routine just for you. So my exclusive face yoga video routine is the best place I recommend you start your face yoga journey for free. Click the link in the description to receive this face yoga video routine.